In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart Monopoly Go. Whether you're looking to start fresh or correct some in-game issues, you'll find this process straightforward and accessible. Let's walk through how to do it in simple steps. First, we'll begin by accessing your Google account settings. This is essential because Monopoly Go likely integrates with your Google account, which helps to manage your data and settings. Open up a web browser and head to your Google account page. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to proceed. Once inside your account settings, you'll want to take a look at how various applications are connected to your account. Now, let's find Monopoly Go among your connected apps. In your account settings, there should be a section dedicated to apps and websites that have access to your Google account. This central place allows you to see all the apps that have some level of permission to your data, which is crucial for keeping track of what information is being shared. Look through this list and locate Monopoly Go. It might be under a section specifically titled Connected Apps and Sites, or Third-Party Apps with Account Access. Finding Monopoly Go here shows that the game has access to some of your Google account data, something we need to adjust in order to restart the game effectively. Next, we're going to remove Monopoly Go's access to your Google account. This step is important as it essentially disconnects your Google account from the game, taking away any linked data and progress. Click on Monopoly Go in the list of apps connected to your Google account, and you should see an option to remove its access. Go ahead and confirm this selection. By doing so, you are revoking the game's permissions and unlinking it from your account. It's always a good practice to ensure that only trusted and necessary apps have access to your information for privacy reasons. Once you've removed its access, you're in a good position to restart your experience in Monopoly Go with a fresh slate. This is because clearing the connection resets your progress and any data in the game that was linked to your Google account. Now, you can go back and reinstall the game or start it anew, which should prompt you to log in again, but this time without any of the previous data or configurations. And that's how you restart Monopoly Go. Remember, this process also serves as a great reminder to regularly check which apps access your account, maintaining not just a fresh gaming experience, but also your digital security. Enjoy your new start in Monopoly Go, and thanks for watching.